After years of fan debates, we're finally getting an answer to the age-old question about who would win in a fight between Prime Aang or Prime Korra. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech and gaming news. That showdown will come to life in Avatar Legends, the fighting game, which is officially announced at New York Comic-Con and set for release in summer 2026. The game is developed by Gameplay Group International and is already shaping up to be a love letter to both fighting games and Avatar fans. The teaser trailer featured pre-alpha footage revealing a fast-paced 2D fighter with a visual style of Street Fighter, but with the elemental benders and warriors we know and love from Avatar: The Last Airbender and The Legend of Korra. The players will have access to 12 characters at launch, but more will be added over time through seasonal updates. The game features a unique flow system, and even the support characters will have special moves. The game is expected to come on all major platforms, including PS4, PS5, Xbox Series XS, Steam, and the Nintendo Switch 2. For those Avatar fans who aren't that competitive, there's a single-player version too, which is packed with original content, perfect for diving deeper into the Avatar universe. And yes, it's not being developed by the same team behind the poorly received Quest for Balance, so you can expect something high this time, with combo trials, a gallery mode, and a stacked cast of benders, warriors, and maybe even the Cabbage Merchant. Avatar Legends, the fighting game, could finally deliver the thrilling experience this franchise deserves, whether you're Team Aang or Team Korra. Summer of 2026 just got a lot more exciting for Avatar fans. Which character will you play with? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.